Depends on how long the eruption goes on, but there's just one spillway, and that's over there. So if the eruption continues for a longer period of time, we might have quite a show once that bathtub begins to drain into the next area.
Scientists discover the largest lava river in Mexico that just cracked open the earth. Recently, scientists have captured an aerial view of the volcanic lava flow found in the country of Mexico. And everybody's shocked by this recent discovery. So, how was it formed? What are the events that led to its formation? Well, the massive Carrizozo lava flow, which traveled 75 kilometers down the Tularosa Basin of south central New Mexico, is one of Earth's longest known Holocene lava flows. The youthful looking flow originated from a broad, low basaltic shield on the floor of the Tularosa Basin, east of the Rio Grande Rift, topped by Little Black Peak, a small cinder cone. The 4.2 kilometer 3 tube fed Pahoho flow covered 330 kilometers too, and has a width that ranges from 1 kilometer in the central neck region to 5 kilometer in the proximal and distal portions. The flow was inferred to have been emplaced during a single long duration eruption estimated to have lasted 2 to 3 decades. A surface exposure age of about 5,200 BP was obtained for the Carrizozo lava flow, the second youngest in New Mexico. An image of an old lava flow traversing the New Mexico desert was captured in breathtaking detail by an astronaut on board the International Space Station, ISS. The frozen river of volcanic rock appears to be a deep scar on the desert below when viewed from above. The Carrizozo Malapas, a basaltic lava flow, is about 50 miles, 80 kilometers, long and occupies around 130 square miles, 337 square kilometers. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, USGS, it's one of the largest lava flows to have formed on Earth in the previous 10,000 years, and is situated close to the city of Carrizozo in the Chihuahuan Desert in New Mexico. Now, one question might cross your mind. How was it formed? Well, as mentioned earlier, around 5,000 years ago, the eruption that gave rise to the Carrizozo Malpais started and lasted for 20 to 30 years. During that period, a subterranean shield volcano, which is now inactive, slowly began to spew lava out of the earth. According to USGS, the molten rock was dispersed across an extremely vast area by insulated lava tubes beneath the surface. The majority of the lava came from a small vent at the northern end of the lava field that is just 88 feet, 27 meters tall, and is known locally as Little Black Peak. Have you thought, why does this lava field look like this? According to Earth Observatory, the irregular, textured appearance of the frozen lava is caused by light reflecting off fractures, collapses, and depressions in the volcanic rock. The northern end of the lava field is divided by a main road and a railroad as well. Although the ancient lava fields may appear lifeless from above, Earth Observatory reports that a variety of desert plant species, including juniper trees, perennial flowers, and prickly pear cactuses, Opuntia, may flourish in the frozen magma. This lava field can be said as the recent, most valuable development in the field of geological sciences. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, USGS, it's one of the most extraordinary lava flows to have erupted on Earth in the previous 10,000 years. According to Ferris, 1980, a spinopterodite parent underwent 4 to 6% partial melting to produce the Carrizozo basalts. The chemical composition of the lower flow is often quite similar to the upper flow, despite some compositional tendencies within the Carrizozo lavas that are consistent with a very slight fractionation of olivine plus or minus pyroxene. The upper section of the lava flow is divided by a road, and a train connects it to the city of Carrizozo. Just to the north of the White Sands Missile Range, Malpais Springs extends from the flow's southern side. Their Zozo lava flow has proved to be a revolutionary discovery and has opened gates for many of the new topographical investigations. Also, the topographic attributes of the Carrizozo flow fields may provide an excellent analog for interpreting the emplacement of similar compound Pahoho flow fields and other planetary surfaces. That's all for today's video. We hope that you would have liked it. If there's anything that you'd like to add in, then make sure to comment it down below. We would be more than pleased to read your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from us.